What's up, y'all? Today I'm gonna try out some octopus. You see this? I'm gonna find out what the hype is all about with this. I don't know if I can eat this, but we'll see. Can't go without rice. Gotta eat my rice. Got some carrots just for being healthy. Okay, pretty good. I'm just in my room. Gotta top it off with my hot sauce here. See that? Sandman's hot sauce. Gotta eat some rice too. Oh, just look at that. Look at that. Ooh wee. Let's see. Let's see if it's good. It's actually pretty good. Gotta eat my rice. Here's just for presentation. Okay. Okay. Pretty good. Not bad. I like the crunchiness in this. Just look at how that looks though. It looks kind of weird. Ugh. Oh. But just look. Chewable. Crunchy. Slightly chewy. But not bad, pretty good. And no, this is not raw. I'm not gonna eat this raw. I just boiled it. Gotta have my rice. I grilled this one too right here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Gotta eat the cilantro. Gotta eat my carrot. I'm trying to lose weight, so. It's pretty good. Not bad, not bad. Look at that, all curled up. If you guys haven't tried it out yet, y'all gotta try it out just to see how it is. Mmm. Mmm. Not bad, not bad. I'm too busy eating, y'all. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Ooh, wait. Woo! Oh yeah. That is good. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh wee. Spicy, but good. You guys see this? I made some of my Sandman's hot sauce here. I'm gonna link the link below for the recipe if you guys want to learn how to make it. It's pretty good. It's spicy, but it's pretty good for those of you who can eat spicy. Try it out. If you guys haven't subscribed, please comment, like, and subscribe down below. Alright? Thanks a lot. See you guys next time.